GSP is a global leader in the automotive industry, providing a wide range of chassis system parts. With 7 state-of-the-art manufacturing centers strategically located around the world, GSP consistently delivers high-quality products and services. As we concentrate on establishing a robust product portfolio, our commitment to quality is evident in our steering and suspension parts. Leveraging our catalog data network, GSP effectively aligns product information with customer requirements, facilitating the development of new products and delivering high competitive suspension solutions to meet the needs of our customers. GSP adheres to the quality philosophy of taking responsibility for the safety of our customers. All suspension shells undergo precise forging, precisely controlling the product appearance and size. As integral components of steering and suspension parts, ball studs undergo the cold forming procedure, ensuring its durability. Each ball stud undergoes the clinching and tempering process, and part of the whole undergoes a high-frequency hardening process. The processed ball stud will be submitted through rigorous quality testing. Eddy current inspection can put an end to defective products. Ball seats, the core components of suspension parts, utilize imported DuPont 500P raw materials and are carried out using advanced automatic injection molding equipment, ensuring premium products. Strict quality control on temperature, humidity, and processing time during vulcanization ensures proper stability of bushing for the highest quality. Automated welding robots enable precise control of welded points and voltage, resulting in enhanced product stability. GSP utilizes a full-process automatic electrophoretic line to apply a fine coating on the product surface of suspension parts to improve its resistance to corrosion. The ball housing automatic production line maintains strict control over processing dimensions, ensuring compliance with the high accuracy requirements. With a multitude of assembly lines and a standardized assembly process, GSP's assembly volume exceeds 80,000 pieces daily. GSP is dedicated to driving continuous innovation in order to meet the diverse product demands of the market. The production line for aluminum forging control arms uses only high-quality raw materials to ensure a superior product. The utilization of the 2,500-ton automated forging line enables multi-stage forging to shape the products, improving their accuracy. After the heat treatment, products undergo a series of processes, including magnetic particle test, 360-degree sand polishing, and automatic acid cleaning, ensuring the highest quality of each aluminum forging product. Comprehensive testing is conducted on all products prior to leaving the factory. Simultaneously, feedback data is transmitted to the front end to facilitate optimization of the products in alignment with OE standards. GSP addresses customer needs through its global warehouse network system, enabling quick and efficient response times. Leveraging our in-market operational advantages, GSP caters market data and cataloging efforts to meet the specific needs of regional markets. This enables us to provide industry-leading coverage, comprehensive product supply, and quality-driven products.